In this video, I'm going to show you how to create pixel in HubSpot. So in case you're trying to add your pixels inside HubSpot, this is how you can do it. So on the home screen inside your HubSpot account, what you want to do is click up here on this gear icon to open up settings. Then once you do that, you want to scroll down here to where you can see tools and then click on marketing over here and then click on ads. This will allow you to connect your ad account. Now you want to click connect account over here, and then it will pop up this window where you can choose an ad network. Now you can choose from the three available, which are Facebook, Google Ads, or LinkedIn. So what you then have to do to create a pixel inside HubSpot is simply choose one of these you're using, sign into its account, and then you will simply have to sync leads. And in the third step, as you can see, you can add in your pixels. So that's pretty much it. That's how to create pixels or add pixels in HubSpot. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.